As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on parts and tools we use in today's project. Today, all three of these sensors are so fast, I'm just going to put it all in one video, and this will be a really quick video. But we got a spark sensor, a manifold air pressure sensor, and what was the last one? Crank sensor. So I'm going to show you the locations, the size bolts, and all that jazz you need to know in order to be able to replace it. Let's check it out. It's a 2005 Dodge Neon. So first of all, these are the codes I got for this thing, and the concern with the customer driving was, he says when he's in second gear and he gets to about 2300 RPMs, he'll start jerking and kind of skipping a little bit. So we have the P0129, it's the manifold air pressure sensor, and you can see that right there. And then for the knock sensor, we got the P0325, and then we have two crank sensor codes. So we got the P0340, P0335, and that's our issue today. I think they're all just going bad at once. Sometimes you can, if they're related, you could just replace this one and that should, you know, resolve the other issues. Sometimes that's the case. This one, I think they're all kind of not very related, so, and they're not that expensive, so we're just going to replace them all. And the procedure would always be do the first one first and then see if it resolves the rest of the issues. So just a little tip for the future. So first we're going to look at the manifold air pressure sensor. It's this guy right here. He thought it was the mass airflow sensor. This car actually does not come with a mass airflow sensor. So this is what this guy looks like. It's got T20 or star 20 bits in there. I use my little 1/4 inch, this guy right here with his extensions, and it sits, you can see it sits right down in here. You're just gonna lefty loosey, and it pulls right out. You've also got this electrical connector, which is sitting right here. You can see a little red tab. Come on, focus camera. The red tab, there we go. This thing pushes in, it snaps in and pops out. Right now it's in the popped out position. I just took a pick and pulled this to pop it out. And then on the outside, it doesn't look like it has a squeeze connector. I mean, you can see from here, that's where you squeeze. You're gonna squeeze and pull this guy out. But from the top angle, it didn't even look like, I mean, I guess it kind of did. Maybe I just wasn't seeing it. Yeah, it did. But yeah, you just squeeze and pull that out, and then just take your two little bolts out. Again, this is going to look like this, sitting down in there, or like that, whatever. And yeah, so you're just going to take that out. That's how you place that one. The other, so I've got the car raised. There's your jack. Make sure you chalk the wheels. Always going to use a jack stand, especially when you're laying underneath the car. And here is the locations of our other stuff. So I'll put my jack right there. You don't really want to set it on the transmission, but if it falls, at least it's not going to fall on me. So, alright. Our connectors are going to be this guy. Okay, so this one and that one up there, you can see I've taken off. Your knock sensor. Alright, focus camera. Your knock sensor is going to be this guy right here. It's a 13, just one bolt holding it in, and it's just a little circular guy, so I'll just kind of pull it down. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but at least I'm going to show you the sensor. So it just pulls down, and that is what it looks like. So it's just that guy right there, and then your crank sensor, it's going to be sitting right up. Where is he? There it is. It's right up there. You can see I've got an 8mm on it, and I've already disconnected the connector. But that is your crankshaft position sensor right there below your starter. You're going to take that 8mm bolt off, and that sensor probably just twist and pull, and you'll take that sensor right out. If it's stuck in there, any of these, if they're stuck in there, you can always take a flathead screwdriver and kind of get behind it